Hello and welcome. Today we are at the shop. You will learn how to buy food in English. Let's start. In this video, you will learn to ask for things, ask the price, and pay. You will hear it, read it, and say it. First, some words. Look at the picture, listen, and say the word with me. Apples. These are apples. Apples are red fruit. Bananas. These are bananas. Bananas are yellow. Milk. This is milk. I drink milk every day. Water. This is water. I drink water when I am hot. Eggs. These are eggs. I eat eggs in the morning. Cheese. This is cheese. I like cheese on my bread. Bread. This is bread. I buy fresh bread. Carrots. These are carrots. Carrots are orange. Fish. This is fish. I eat fish for dinner. Bag. This is a bag. I put my food in the bag. Card. This is a card. I pay with my card. Dollars. These are dollars. I pay with dollars. Now listen to the conversation in the shop. Hello, excuse me, where are the apples?
Hello. The apples are here, next to the bananas.
Thank you. How much are they?
The apples are $2.
Do you have any milk?
Yes, the milk is here. It is $1.
I would like some bread, please.
Here you are. This bread is fresh.
Can I have 6 eggs, please?
Yes. Here are your eggs. Anything else?
Yes. How much is the cheese?
The cheese is $3.
Okay, can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay by card. That is $9.
Can I have a bag, please?
Here is your bag. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Great. Now let's learn the key phrases one by one. Excuse me. You say this to get help or attention. Say it slowly. Excuse me. Where are the apples? You ask where something is in the shop. Say it slowly. Where are the apples? How much is it? You ask the price of one thing. Say it slowly. How much is it? Do you have any milk? You ask if the shop has something. Say it slowly. Do you have any milk? I would like some bread, please. You ask for something politely. Say it slowly. I would like some bread, please. Can I pay by card? You ask to pay with a card, not money. Say it slowly. Can I pay by card? Here you are. You say this when you give something. Say it slowly. Here you are. Thank you. You're welcome. You say thanks, and the answer is, you're welcome. Say it slowly. Thank you. You're welcome. Now it is your turn to speak. Listen and repeat after me. Listen and repeat. Excuse me. One more time. Excuse me. Listen and repeat. Where are the apples? One more time. Where are the apples? Listen and repeat. How much is it? One more time. How much is it? Listen and repeat. Do you have any milk? One more time. Do you have any milk? Listen and repeat. I would like some bread, please. One more time. I would like some bread, please. Listen and repeat. Can I pay by card? One more time. Can I pay by card? Listen and repeat. Here you are. One more time. Here you are. Listen and repeat. Thank you. You're welcome. One more time. Thank you. You're welcome. Let's practice. I ask, you answer. Ready? How do you ask the price of one thing? You can say, how much is it? How do you ask if the shop has milk? You can say, do you have any milk? How do you ask for bread politely? You can say, I would like some bread, please. How do you ask to pay with a card? You can say, can I pay by card? What do you say to get attention? You can say, excuse me, the milk is $1. The bread is $2. How much is that? You can say, $3. The assistant asks, anything else? You are finished. What do you say? You can say, no thank you, that is all. You want bananas. Ask the assistant where they are. You can say, where are the bananas? Now, you are the customer. I tell you what to say. You say it, then I show you. You walk into the shop. Get the shop assistant's attention and ask where the apples are. Hello, excuse me, where are the apples? Now ask how much the apples are. How much are the apples? You need milk. Ask if the shop has any milk. Do you have any milk? Now ask for some bread. Say it politely. I would like some bread, please. You need 5 eggs. Ask for them politely. Can I have 5 eggs, please? You see the cheese. Ask how much it is. How much is the cheese? The assistant says $3. Repeat the price. The cheese is $3. The cheese is $3. Time to pay. Ask if you can pay by card. Can I pay by card? Ask for a bag, politely. Can I have a bag, please? You are finished. Say a big thank you and say goodbye. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Well done. Let's listen to the whole conversation one more time. Hello, excuse me, where are the apples?
Hello. The apples are here, next to the bananas.
Thank you. How much are they?
The apples are $2.
Do you have any milk?
Yes. The milk is here. It is $1.
I would like some bread, please.
Here you are. This bread is fresh.
Can I have 6 eggs, please?
Yes. Here are your eggs. Anything else?
Yes. How much is the cheese?
The cheese is $3.
Okay. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay by card. That is $9.
Can I have a bag, please?
Here is your bag. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Before we finish, let's remember the words one more time. Apples, bananas, milk, water, eggs, cheese, bread, carrots, fish, bag, card, dollars. Great job! Now you can go to a shop and speak English. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more real English. See you next time.